what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to discuss and make a review about the app called Griffin.
Griffin's basically a money management app that links to your bank accounts and helps you stay on top of your spending. The design's super clean and it's easy to navigate, like no learning curve. It shows you where your money's going, helps set savings goals, and gives you little insights that actually make sense. What you can like is how it nudges you with spending habits without being annoying. Also, setting up auto savings is super smooth. It's like having a quiet financial coach in your pocket. Downside, some of the better features need a paid plan. It's not crazy expensive, but still worth noting. Overall, though, if you want a clean, helpful way to track your money, Griffin's definitely worth checking out. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you learn more about the Griffin app, its pros and cons. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!